Question 11. The picture below shows a semi-permeable membrane separating two different solutions. The dots in the image represent a solute, such as salt or sugar. Okay, so our dots. Which statement best describes the direction water will move? Okay, you're given your cheat sheet image here, the one that would help you out the most for this question. So these three pictures are cells that are supposed to represent the different ways that water can move. All right, I know we've said the phrase before, salt sucks. Okay. So this is supposed to remind you that that solute is going to draw water towards it. All right, so water is going to want to move that way. Okay, so that's what you have in these images here. You have water is leaving the cell. That's why those cells are getting smaller, because salt is on the outside of the cell. There's more salt out here, so that salt is drawing the water out of the cell. This picture, you actually have water going into the cell, so H2O is going in. Because there's salt on the inside of the cells, drawing that water in, making those cells burst. This picture, just equal amounts of water moving in and out. So looking at our picture over here, we have more salt here. So we have more salt on the B side than the A side. Okay, so water is actually going to go from side A to side B to kind of even it out, right? So looking at our answer choices, we have A, water will move from side A to side B. That looks correct. B, water will move from side B to side A. That's not right. C, water will move in both directions. Well, there's more salt on the B side, so that would not be correct. D, water cannot cross the membrane, so it will not move. Well, the term semi-permeable means that it's selective. So some things can go in and out. Okay, so water can in fact cross. So our best answer choice would be A.